Is your iPhone throwing a tantrum and refusing to accept your card payment? Don't panic. In the next minute and a half, we'll troubleshoot why your card isn't working on your iPhone and get you back to hassle-free transactions. First, let's double-check the obvious. Head to your iPhone settings and tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where all your cards are stored. Now, select the card that's giving you trouble. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and security code are all entered correctly. Even a small typo can cause a decline. If anything is incorrect, tap Edit and update the information. It's also worth double-checking the name and billing address associated with the card, as these need to match what your bank has on file. Next, scroll down to transaction history. If available, look for any recent declined transactions. This might give you a clue about why the card isn't working. If the card details are correct, let's try removing it and adding it again. This often resolves minor glitches. Tap the card, scroll down and tap Remove this card, then follow the steps to add it back in. While you're here, also make sure that the double-click side button toggle is turned on. This feature allows you to quickly access Apple Pay for purchases. Check that Allow Apps to Request Payments is turned on too, if you are having issues with Apple Pay in specific apps. Okay, if none of that worked, try the oldest trick in the book: restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple reboot can fix underlying software issues that may be interfering with Apple Pay. If you're still having trouble after trying these steps, the problem might be on your bank's end. So reach out to their customer support for further assistance. They can tell you if there are any holds or restrictions on your card. Good luck.